We back here on FTB Chris, man. You know what I'm saying? I got the nigga Deshaun with me in the motherfucking vid today, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey, man, look, I ain't been on this motherfucking app, I don't know how long, nigga. But y'all see what the fuck we got going on outside, man. You hear that motherfucker?
Army time, boy.
Hey, that's a V8, nigga?
Hell yeah, it's a motherfucking V8.
Stop the cap.
Man, look, man. Shit. We rolling through the hood shooting guns, nigga.
Hey, you gonna get us shot at, nigga. You tweaking, nigga.
I know you, a hood nigga gonna be like, oh shit. Nigga, a hood nigga gonna pull in shit, be like, who's shooting?
Yeah, that's my Mustang, bro.
Huh? Good location, man. We got the goddamn meat spot, man. You know what I'm saying? The whole crowd came out and shit. You know what I'm saying? I ain't popping my hood, nigga. My shit ain't really like that for real.
Yeah.
I just fixed the oil leak, so it's a little oily.
Oh, there you go. Hey, you're a real man.
How'd they even get here? How the fuck did they get here? Anyway, go ahead. Everybody out there, everybody.
No shit at all.
Let's do our view. Where you at?
I'm over in Columbia Heights.
Don't you live in BB? Yeah, I'm how the fuck you get there?
I had me a motherfucking duty call, nigga. I had to go get to it, nigga.
That shit is so funny, dude.
What? That chicken. Dude.
I bet you that one dude's here with the subwoofer build.
You?
Yeah, I hear him too. He always be at these meets. Hey, you seen that state trooper that had that dude pulled over? That's the same nigga that always pulls me over. That's the same dude that always pulls me over 24/7.
Damn. That nigga shit.
windshield tint.
Oh yeah, hold on. Let me see my camera.
What do you think that windshield? You think that's 20?
Hey man, shout out to the motherfucking cameraman, nigga. The motherfucking GOAT, man. You know what I'm saying? This nigga that getting all the good clips of the day, man.
The guy in the background.
The guy in the background. The guy in the background gets support too, nigga.
Bro, you see?
Hey, we
Every time I see these builds, I always be like, I need to get a truck.
When I get a truck, hey, look, we building a truck on this channel. I promise y'all. Give me
All the person's close.
Give me 1,000 subscribers, I'll build a truck.
Give me a dope. He got like 20% chance, or maybe on the front. Oh, that's like the whole truck. This is tough. Now, this is, if I was to build my shoes like this, this thing has the perfect, like, bro, the height on this thing is smooth. I've never seen one like this.
Hey, oh, this is truck.
This truck is good.
This is a single cab. This is what you call a single cab.
This is what I want. I like
The single cab.
this thing is nice, bro.
This is good.
Now, this is cool.
Oh, see, he flies the motherfucking lights on it. Damn.
Bro, this is nice. They both was close somewhere, but this is nice. This is what I like.
Oh, your truck one still, boy.
You think it's clean?
Hell yeah, I like it.
It
This
ain't
is-
that clean, boy.
Hey, so you got a little rust spots, but hey, this thing is
Ain't
nice.
no wrong with little rush, man. You know what I'm saying?
Hell yeah, bro. This thing is solid. The height is really perfect.
Bro, spot in the back, look in the front.
Oh, yeah. Those shit gonna be. Oh, bro. But shit, we gotta show some S10 to love, too. Oh. Shit, that motherfucking S10. That motherfucker. What is it? Hey, this shit be the Oh, shit. Oh, hold on. That's a, we gotta let the hell catch this. Well, I gotta hear that one more time, my boy. Hey, Kelvin, I found your shit. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Hey, hold on. What they say?
Only if you get caught. Holy shit.
I ain't gonna scratch this shit, bro. Shit nice, bro.
Damn. That shit look damn. That's who shit?
I think it's Orion, but maybe not. I'm gonna ask him. He has this nice section.
Damn.
That thing was cut to the floor.
Overtime.
I know he hits bunking.
Hey, look at me. Coming soon. Coming soon. Oh, yeah.
Damn! Holy shit!
I always wonder if people can't see that. Like when you're that low, this thing is sick.
Show me, bro.
Not like all the cameras will be like, "Oh, this is good."
Hell yeah, that's our team. Niggas up for me. I know it's a hell yeah.
This is what Code wanted to do.
That's that. Oh, he's a Also coming soon on the channel, man. Y'all just stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned. But shit, this is a goal for 2024 before it ends. Oh God, I'm gonna try to get it.
Damn. He got the wicker bill too. That's an SRT Hellcat.
Hellcat.
Nobody took these spots. Do you remember last time when we came? Nobody got jumped like this. I don't know what this is something else. Like just all pulled in deep right here in this spot. That's beautiful. I think this is probably one of the best ones.
Report live with niggas. Currently feeling good as hell outside. Pizza Center.
Oh yeah, this is actually really good.
You know what I'm saying? Shit. Hey, come back to me. Come on to me. If you're not outside, what the fuck is you doing, shorty? Get outside, nigga.
Damn. Wait a goddamn minute. What the fuck is this guy got a supercharger on this? Do you know how mad I'd be if I got gapped by this? I would be heated. I would be so mad if I got gapped by this.
Pissed off I got gapped by this. Hey, to the back, boy, they be like, line that shit up. I be, alright, cool.
I know you can relate to this, right?
Because I mean, he has the V6 has 4 horsepower. Shit, I keep forgetting that.
I got what a motherfucking demo, bro. I'm gonna get that bitch to tap out in a minute. I'm like,
That is insane.
I wanna hear that shit from the window, though. I'm gonna look from the window. I'm gonna see that shit vibrate.
You didn't hear him before?
I did. Oh, shit. He's not even in there. That's crazy.